Hello students, myself Hanish Bansal. Today our topic is quadratic equation. In this video lecture, we will discuss about quadratic equation and solution of the quadratic equation. So let's start the topic. That general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ABC belongs to R. R is real number and A, B, C are known as coefficient. A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x, and C is known as constant term. X is variable. But here a important condition is that A, which is the coefficient of x square, cannot be 0. Because if coefficient of x square A is 0, then the remaining portion is bx plus c, which is linear equation. So it cannot be 0 in the quadratic equation. It is the most important condition in general form. It is the basic and general form of quadratic equation. For example, 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. A is 6, B is minus 7, C is minus 3. A coefficient of x square 6, B is coefficient of x minus 7, and C is constant term minus 3. It is the basic and general form of quadratic equation. Now our topic is solution of quadratic equation. Solution means value of variable which satisfy the equation. Value of variable. Solution mean क्या होता है? Solution मतलब value of variable. Value of variable. For example, it is 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. So value of x, because x is variable, so those value of x which satisfy the equation, mean by putting the value of x in the left hand side we let the value is 0, mean variable की वो value जो equation को satisfy करे. This value is known as roots of equation. This value is known as roots of equation. Mean value of variable which satisfy the equation is known as the roots of equation, and it is known as the solution of quadratic equation. But if it is quadratic polynomial, then value of variable by which polynomial becomes 0 is known as zeros, not roots. In quadratic equation is known as roots, but in quadratic polynomial is known as zeros. Now here we have three methods to solve a quadratic equation. First method is known as factorization method. Second is known as perfect square method, and third is known as the Acharya formula. It is also known as quadratic formula. First is factorization method, second perfect square method, and third Acharya formula or quadratic formula. In this video lecture, we will discuss our first method, factorization method, to solve a quadratic equation. So let's start. Example: 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We want to solve this quadratic equation by using factorization method. In this method, term of x square will remain same, constant term will remain same, and term of x, which is minus 7x in this example, split into two parts such that sum of these two parts is minus 7x. जो टर्म ऑफ एक्स है उसे स्प्लिट करेंगे टू पार्ट्स में, इस प्रकार इन दोनों पार्ट्स का जो टोटल है वो रिपीट हो जाए -7x एंड ऑल्सो और साथ में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू पार्ट्स इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म एंड टर्म ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर। मीन ये जो टर्म ऑफ एक्स है इसे दो पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट करते हैं, तो इन दोनों पार्ट्स का टोटल तो यही रहे, बट इन दोनों पार्ट्स का जो मल्टीप्लाई है प्रोडक्ट है वो इन दोनों टर्म्स पे मल्टीप्लाई पे इक्वल रहे -18x स्क्वायर 3 6 18 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई माइनस। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड टू टर्म्स whose sum is -7x and whose product is -18x square. So here we have a short way to find, because we have to find product of two numbers is 18 negative. So two numbers 1 multiply 18, in 2 table 2 9 is 18, in 3 table 3 6 is 18, in 4 table 18 not come, in 5 table not, in 6 table 6 3 is 18, 6 3 ये रिपीट हो गया, 1 टाइम प्लस 1 टाइम माइनस, डिफरेंस 18 प्लस 1 19, 9 प्लस 2 11, 6 प्लस 3 9, 18 माइनस 1 7, 9 माइनस 2 7, 6 माइनस 3 3. It is complete. Now we want -7. So here not 7, 7 is here. So we let the pair two numbers are 2 and 9 multiply by x. But sum of these two numbers is 11, but we have to find -7. So check that 7 is in the side of negative. 7 is in side of negative. It means that one is positive and one is negative, and we know that sign of greater number is lam. Sign is negative, so greater number is negative and small is positive. Plus 2x and minus 9x. It is two pairs. In first pair, common is 2x. 2 is common, so remaining 2 3 ja multiply 6x. 2 3 ja 6x multiply x square. 2 is common, x is common, remaining is 1. 2 1 ja 2 multiply x. In both negative is common. In 3 and 9, 3 is common, 3 is common, remaining 3x plus 1. 3 multiply 3 9x plus multiply minus plus multiply minus 3 1 ja 3 is equal to 0. We let same pair in both. So common is 3x plus 1 and remaining is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Common is 3x plus 1, remaining 2x minus 3. So product of two numbers are 0. It means that 3x plus 1 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 1 by transport minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. So roots minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. It is the first method, traditional method to solve a quadratic equation. Write down. Now we discuss another example of quadratic equation, also solved by this method. And our second example is root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. And we have to find the solution of this quadratic equation by using same factorization method. So term of x square will remain same, constant term will remain same. By similar way, term of x which is 10x split into two parts such that sum of these two parts is 10x, and product of these two parts is product of constant term and product of term of x square. Root 3 multiply root 3 is 3. 3 7 are 21 x square. So we have to find two numbers whose sum is 10x and whose product is 21. Product 21. So in one table 21, in two table 21 is not come, in 3 table 7, 4 table 21 not come, in 5 table not come, in 6 table not come, in 7 table 7 3 ja it is repeated, so one side positive and one side negative. 21 plus 1 22, 7 plus 3, 10. 21 minus 1, 20. 7 minus 3, 4. It is completed. Now we want 10. So we let 10 here. So we take two numbers are 3 and 7 multiplied by x. Now check that 10 is in the positive side. Here 7 is in the negative side. It means 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Here 10 is in positive side. It means that both the numbers are of same sign. Both the numbers are of same sign. Mean both are positive or maybe both are negative. It is depend upon 10x. 10x is positive, so both are positive. If 10x is negative, then both are negative. So our two numbers are 3x plus 7x. Root 3x there. 3, we can write 3 is in this way. Root 3 multiply root 3 is 3. Plus 7x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. It is the first pair and it is the second pair. In the first pair, root 3 is common in both the number and x is also common. Root 3 is common, x is common and remaining is x. Root 3 and x is common, remaining is plus root 3. In this pair, we see that 7 is common. Remaining is x plus root 3 is equal to 0. We let the same pair, x plus root 3. So x plus root 3 is again common. Remaining is root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Product of two numbers are 0. It means x plus root 3 is 0 or root 3x plus 7 is 0. Here we let x is minus root 3 plus root 3 by transport it will be negative. Here we let root 3x plus 7 by transport it will be negative. Root 3 is in multiply by x, so by transport it will be in divide. So roots are minus root 3 and minus 7 root 3. It is our first method, factorization method to solve a quadratic equation. Now write now two examples for your homework. First is 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve these two examples self by using factorization method and find the roots of this equation. In the next video lecture, we will discuss our remaining two methods, perfect square method and Sridharacharya formula. So please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Okay students.